Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to look at 4 of the best gold trading robots you will ever find. Now on your screen you'll see many ways of investing in gold. You can buy gold mining company shares, you can buy the physical gold through either Kruger Rands, which I have a few of, and because of my South African background, and also you can own gold bars. Again, I have a few of those, but they're tiny little ones like that. The problem with these is you have to store them somewhere safe with an institution, and you pay storage fees and insurance and all kinds of things. So there's a cost to owning physical gold. A lot of people make a lot of money trading mining stock, but you need to know what you're doing when you do that. Now, if you look at the price of gold over the last 6 years or so, you will see that the increase up to today's price has been roughly 73% if you are lucky enough to purchase gold at the bottom of the market in 2015. Now, I can tell you 73% over a 6-year period is not a fantastic return. It's a good return, but you haven't doubled your money. It's just been a reasonable return. I, for instance, make much more using property portfolios, which give a much bigger return in spite of a huge entry cost of stamp duties and all kinds of things, and an exit cost of capital gains tax. And owning physical gold is most probably not the greatest investment you can make, although it's quite sound. It keeps up with inflation quite nicely. So what are the alternatives? So one of the alternatives you can consider is trading the gold price using trading robots. And on your screen, you can see the Expert Forex website, the front page of the website, detailing all our trading tools and trading robots. And in today's video, I want to specifically look at the tradable RSI, the MACD EA, the moving average multiplier, and the ADX trader. Now, all of those have a multiplier in them that once they've caught a trend, they multiply their entries into that trend to get an above average return. So the prices of the EAs are shown there. You can get quite considerable discounts. Some of them are included in our very special bundle, which is a 75% bundle off. Also, you can get them for free. And if you click on this banner, you can get more details on how you can get these EAs free. In fact, if you watch this previous video of mine, you can actually get all of our EAs and trading tools free. Go and have a look at this video. You can certainly get free EAs by opening $1,000 accounts with 8cap, FX Choice, FP Markets, FX Pro, or IC Markets at this stage. We are adding more brokers as we go along. But let's go and have a look at our gold trading robots. Okay, I'm on our paid forum. It's the premium members forum. It costs $24 to join. So if you want to join, you would use that link to join this forum. And links to everything that I speak about in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. So I'm on the site, and we go down to some of the member benefits. And there are lots of member benefits there. And right at the bottom here, we see the premium Expert Forex EA optimization services. And if we click on the premium robot services, you get then a total database or access to specific set files in that database. You can get there from both ways. I'm going to go to the total database, and we have recently created a fantastic sortable database, and here are the details. So you just click on that link, and you can then, as a member, get access to this database, and I'm going to click on that link. So this database consists of 1,100 settings that have been optimized for our robots, but they've been optimized for various markets. And we look at the market. There's the Forex market, the index market, and the metals market, and the metal market is the one that I'm going to be looking at today. So let's go straight into that. It immediately sorts or sorts the database so that you only see the metal classification. And at the moment, we only have gold as our main metal. You can then look at this database in terms of EAs, strategies, leverage. All the leverage is at 20-1. Which time frames are used, which symbols are used. As you can see, there's the gold symbol, and what basis, fixed lots. We also have, in certain instances, percentage of equity returns. But then it starts giving you details about those particular settings. It tells you the profit generated. Now, all of these results have been used a $10,000 account starting point with 0.1 lots. That means if you've got a $1,000 account, it's 0.01 lots. So it's the same. It's just that we use the same starting balance for all of our settings so that we can relate them to each other. So this one says that the best result for the tradable RSI is 62,000. Now, and that is profit, so that's 6 times your investment. Now, we looked at gold and we saw 73% return if you had bought gold about 5 or 6 years ago. Here we're talking about a 600% return in 1 year. And if you go down, you'll see some of the returns that are possible by using these EAs. And then if we look at the actual EAs, we'll see that the tradable RSI is at the top, producing the best results for gold, then the ADX, then the moving average multiplier. There are two readings there that are very good, and then the MACD. And those are the 4 EAs that I mentioned earlier. Now, if we then go even further and we sort it by profitability, so in other words, we look at the levels of profitability achieved by these EAs, we can then see, again, if we go to the EAs, the moving average multiplier at the top, the tradable RSI, the multiplier again, the MACD, and then the ADX is slightly lower down. So those are the 4 main ones that are producing really good results, and that is the purpose of this video, to make you aware that there are EAs that can trade gold in a profitable way over a 12-month period. Now, to create these settings and this analysis takes considerable coding and hardware resource, and that is why it is only available to our paid members of our premium forum. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope I've given you some ideas about how to invest in various instruments and some of the benefits of using trading robots in spite of leverage of only 20-1. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.